Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is in honour of a very funny man, Matt Lucas. Now, Matt recently has got into the charts with a charity single for the NHS called Thank You Baked Potato. And I thought it's such a daft little song that it would be a great picture to draw, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's make a start. First we'll start with the plate for the potato. Just bring that round there. Get a little curved bottom. Put some lettuce leaves for it to sit on. Next we'll draw the potato, sat on his throne of lettuce. This comes round and in for a smile. He's telling us all to stay at home and wash our hands, have a better day. Good advice. Let's give him some cheeks. Some eyes, we'll have him looking up at Matt. A buttery tongue. Now let's give him some eyebrows, why not? Okay, so put it on a table. Just soften that corner so it looks as though there's a tablecloth on here. Make it a sort of gingham design. Draw these lines quite closely together. Some coming in the other direction. Now, I first became aware of Matt in shows he appeared with Vic Reeves and Bob Mortimer, and he rose to fame as a giant baby, George Dawes in Shooting Stars, and he would play the drums and give the scores of all the contestants. And it was also where the baked potato song first appeared. But since lockdown, he decided to change the words and make it more about staying indoors and looking after each other. And all the proceeds have been going to the NHS, which is brilliant. Let's start with Matt's head. Comes down, just out slightly for the cheeks. Matt's got quite rosy cheeks. I'll put those in later. Put his ear in. Drawing the back of his head up there. His nose. Let's put his glasses in. The arms of the glasses just sticking out there. Some big wide eyes as he's singing his song. Looking down at baked potato. Put the cheeks in. Big smile. His chin, his tongue, some teeth as well. shine on Matt's head there. Now let's put his arm in. And Matt's been in lots of TV shows. He's probably most famous for Little Britain with David Walliams. And he also did Come Fly With Me. But he's starred in lots of films as well. He's been in Alice in Wonderland and one of my kids' favourites, Romeo and Juliet. And he's also been in Doctor Who as well, which I really like, as Nardole. Sometimes wears a navy blazer, so I'll put him in that. Top of his shirt. Buttons in. Put the other arm in as well. Perhaps we'll have him holding a fork, conducting the song. At least that's what I hope he's doing. Fork in. Put the thumb just behind. The side of his blazer in, the lapels here. I'll have some musical notes as well. Maybe some steam rising from the open mouth of baked potato there. Notes. And there we have it. I think we're done. There is Matt Lucas and Baked Potato singing Thank You Baked Potato. I've put a link in my bio below to the charity that Matt's raising money for the NHS, so do have a look at that. And yeah, Matt's songs available at all good retailers. Always wanted to say that. So do search for it and have a listen. It's really good fun. Do remember to subscribe to Add Art if you want to see all my new drawings. And if you've enjoyed drawing along with this, give me a like. And if you want to make a suggestion as to what I draw next, then get in contact with me on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king. And maybe I'll choose your suggestion to draw next time. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again on Add Art. Bye for now.